My name is Francis Brown and I'm studying Geography, Sociology and French at East Sussex College, Hastings. I decided to study here because I felt it was a really freeing, mature learning environment, and I really wanted to be here because it felt like I wasn't at school. It felt like I had independence and I'd moved on from that part of my life. Geography has always been my passion. I'm really interested in studying things like global politics and globalization. Sociology, well, that's learning about people and very closely linked to human geography. And I'm passionate about languages, so French was a natural option for me too. I decided to study sociology at A-level here. I hadn't done that at secondary school, and I was kind of a bit scared because I didn't know what the course would actually entail. But my tutor Sophie, she really eased our class into the course, and now I'm really confident that it's something that I want to continue with. So. In sociology recently, we've been learning about education and underachievement of certain social groups. And this is pretty interesting when you're in education yourself, so that's one of my favourite topics so far. And in geography, we've been doing globalization, which is about how different countries relate with each other. But again, that was my favourite at GCSE, and I'm really happy to be learning that now. So. I had a childhood dream of becoming a diplomat, but now I think I want to work with people, and with learning French, that would just help me if I want to go to another country, France, or work at a border or something like that. I just want to work with people. So.